Okay, in example 2, we have circle P that we know the area is 625 pi inches squared. Chord AB is in the circle P and has a length of 14 inches. And the question is, how far is AB from point P? All right, so first we're going to draw our circle. Maybe. There we go. And it is circle P. And chord AB is in this circle. And the chord has a length of 14, and we're trying to figure out how far AB is from P. So we want to find this distance here. And if you can imagine that it continued to extend, this would be a radius, this would be a chord, and the shortest distance from here to that chord would be the perpendicular distance, which would mean that these two sides are congruent. It would bisect it. So this is 7. Okay, the other thing we need to use is we know that the area, so this is important to understand, and you know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. We know it is 625 pi from the problem. So you're going to divide pi out from each side. And then you're going to get 625 is equal to r squared. When you square root both sides, you get 25. So we know the radius is 25. So we can use that right now. And then we're trying to find, so we're looking at this right triangle. This was 7. The radius is 25 of that circle. The distance from here to this chord, this would be the shortest distance, would be the perpendicular distance. This is also a triple. This is the 7, 24, 25 triple. So we already know that x is going to be 24. But that being said, you could say x squared plus 7 squared equals 25 squared and do Pythagorean theorem. If you forgot your triples, no worries. All right, so there's example number 2.